How to unfollow everyone on TikTok. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick way to unfollow everyone on the TikTok app. But before getting started, be sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to our channel. First thing first, you have to open up your TikTok and make sure to log into your correct account. And once you are logged in, you just have to tap on your profile icon at the top bottom right corner. Now you want to head over to your settings and privacy, tap on the three lines, and then to head over to settings and privacy. So here, as you can see, I don't have much of my followings. So what I'm gonna do here is I can just unfollow them if I want, but some of you guys may have hundreds and thousands of followings which you want to clear out. In that case, head over to settings and privacy, report a problem, and then from here, you are going to find this section. So tap on the drop down on account and profile, tap on editing profile, and then from here, tap on others. Once you do that, click on need more help. And here you can simply describe your problem saying that I want to unfollow everyone on my TikTok. And after saying this, you can just send a message to TikTok. You will be creating a ticket. So once you send your message, TikTok will get back to you within 1 to 3 business days and your problem should be fixed. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.